YouTube, what is going on? We're gonna get right into this video of the unboxing of the SNAPFX by Babyliss Pro. This is the new clipper that came out, I would say sometime last year, but I actually got this for my birthday. Also with the trimmers, hey, you can't just, buy one and not the other. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. If you haven't yet, like, comment, and subscribe. Now I'm going to tell you, the batteries, the clipper itself was nice and snug inside the box, so I had to struggle with getting that thing out of there. But as you can see, it comes with the clipper, 2 batteries, you got your guards, you got your oil, and you got your, for most that do not know, this is for your moving blade, and you already got your book. So with this clipper, it has comes with the dual lithium battery system. That's the 2 batteries here. It snaps in, and it has the charging stand, which is this here. And then also it has the magnetic plate in front. That's here. That's very nice. You can definitely see that will be 0 gap in these here. But it feels nice, it feels light. I can't wait to jump into it and try these out. Alright, let's go ahead and jump into the trimmers. Now the trimmers also come in a similar box. And I would say I had my first Babyliss tool was the silver Babyliss clippers, and when I was in barbering school. So just to be able to get these when I'm not in school, and I'm like almost 3 years in the game, still perfecting my craft every single day. It's just amazing to not only test out new clippers, but also see my growth when it comes to seeing how creative I can be with haircuts. Yeah, so I figured the easiest way to do it is to take off this packet, and then you got everything else that comes with it.
$2,000 years later.
Don't worry about that. And in this box, it actually just has the 0 gap tool, a little mini brush, the oil, and a little screwdriver right there. So that way you can go ahead and 0 gap that bad boy. And it's the same with the clipper. The trimmer also has a battery that is very lightweight. Go ahead and show you what it sounds like snapping in. Now there is a certain way that you have to put the battery in, so don't try to just jam it in there because it's not gonna work that way. You can hear the snaps. Clipper snapping together. It comes out. Here it runs. I even like the light. It's nice and blue. There you have it. That's the unboxing of the Babeless FX, the SNAPFX, the clipper, and the trimmer. Man, I will definitely give a review and let y'all know how I like it, because I'm just excited just to have it. Hey, if you haven't yet, like, comment, and subscribe, and we will be coming down with more videos. It's your boy, Sean the Barber. Peace.